Hello everybody, welcome back to the Nibiru channel. It is February 11th, 2017. Now in Pakistan, 100-mile plus crack earth fissure opens up, leaving residents in fear. Ladies and gentlemen, this is happening all over the world, and we've covered several of these stories over the past few weeks. First, keeping our eye in a very large fracture in the Antarctic. Then, in South Africa, Arizona, Mexico, and probably other areas of the world where these large fissures are opening up and not being reported. Now, I'm going to leave a link to a very specific website called The Watchers. And they cover all of these earth changes, severe weather, space weather. Fantastic website. But as you can clearly see, Pakistan had a devastating earthquake. Thank God it was slightly offshore. Then days later, a massive 100-plus mile fissure opens up. So what is next? We're definitely going to experience what is in the very near future. I've spoken many times about what is happening to our planet. Yes, these look like natural occurrences, but ladies and gentlemen, they are not. This is directly from Planet X and the effects that it's having on our planet. There is no other reason for what is happening. Our sun, once again, as I've said before, our sun is in dire straits. It's almost like our sun is in a direct battle with an object affecting it. And we know exactly what it is. Are we being told anything about it? No, we're not. But yet, these instances of earthquake activity, volcanic activity, now, over the past few weeks, we're starting to see these massive cracks opening up around the world. Officials tell you directly that this is due to underground water sources. Okay, we'll give them that for now. But an underground water source creating a 100-mile fissure in the land in Pakistan is absolutely unbelievable, especially after they have a large earthquake. Now, there is video to this large crack that has occurred in Pakistan. I will leave direct links to the website, The Watchers. I would bookmark this site for future reference. But as you can see, the same thing occurred in Arizona. The same thing occurred in the Northern Cape, South Africa. We covered all of these stories, folks. The large fissure that is opening up in the Antarctic, so bad that they're removing scientists as soon as possible. So the bottom line is, ladies and gentlemen, we're not going to be fooled anymore into believing that these are common occurrences by nature. A 100-mile crack opening up in the desert land of Pakistan, where there is no water. I've never heard of any underground water source in Pakistan. Have any of you? However, this large crack occurs after a large earthquake. So the bottom line is, we have to stay vigilant and we have to maintain control of what we are seeing. And what we're seeing are major massive Earth changes due to another planetary object or objects in our solar system. Ladies and gentlemen, if you do not believe what you are seeing, then do not watch these videos. Go about your daily business, and God forbid if you're not prepared. And like I've been saying, don't be scared, be prepared. Preparation is the only thing that you're going to have. Stay tuned to the Nibiru channel. Make sure you subscribe and set your notifications for all updates in the near future. Thank you for watching.